Alright, so this is a French tarot deck. It's a lot different than the playing card decks from Bicycle or any other company. You'll see it's a little bit longer, a little bit thinner, and as you can see, the cards are a little bit different. This is a trump card, got the number, and this is a face card, the Cavalier. So we're basically going to be playing Beat the Devil with this deck. So we're going to give it a quick shuffle. I shuffled this deck prior, but we're going to shuffle it again because we went through it real quick. And what we're going to do is we're just going to play as many piles as we need to beat the devil, just to show you how the mechanics work with matching the trumps. And then that can give you an idea of how many piles will be needed to beat the devil. And then from there you can work backwards in creating limitations in the difficulty to have games. So we'll start out. We've got a trump, no match. So right now we've got two trumps, so we can't open up another pile unless we match these. So now we've got the two matching trumps. So now we've got no matches, we'll open up another pile. We've got another trump. So we've got the sixes. So now we've got three trumps. So we have to play off these three trumps until we can open up another pile. So right now we've got the threes, and we'll play off our Cavalier, matching fives. Trumps, play off the kings, play off the ace, play off our eights, and we'll play off our trumps. We've got the dame, and we'll play off our valet here. We've got no matches, so we'll open up another pile right here. So we've got a four, match the 5, the 10, and match our valet, like so. Match our trumps. So there's no more matches. I'm going to open up one more pile here. I'm going to get that 7. And now we can play off the king. So we've got 3 trumps. So we'll play off them. Play off the 6. And we'll play off the 9. So now we've got the Fool, so this can then count as a match with the trumps. Or it could be a match with anything else, but this makes the most sense to capitalize on using 4 cards at once. So let's do that. This pile clearly has the most used cards. So now we've got, let's do the aces. And we're done. So we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 piles to beat the devil with French Tarot. So it takes a little bit longer, but as you can see, it's very possible to beat the devil using French Tarot.